video on homemade hot chocolate mix. This is a really easy hot chocolate mix that tastes very good also, and you can just store it and make it whenever you want. Before we were in a pandemic last year, we made this a lot and would bring it to other people when they had parties, back when we could have parties. I should also point out that none of the ingredient measurings need to be completely exact in this recipe because it's not really going to be going in the oven and you're not going to be baking it, and it doesn't need to rise to an exact point. So you should just add as much or as little as you want based on how sweet you want it, but I'm just going to be doing it the standard way. There are also different variations of this recipe you can make, and you can learn more about that in the recipe in the video description below. So the first thing, and pretty much the only thing you're going to do to make the mix, is you're going to take 6 tablespoons of either bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate. I'm going to be using bittersweet chocolate, but you're just going to break it into pieces. I would break it into pieces slightly smaller than the squares that it already comes broken into. Then you're going to add in half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you could even use a little bit of a vanilla bean. Now you're going to put the lid on your food processor, and you're just going to want to blend this until it gets all powdery and light. So you're going to want to check on it once in a while and also make sure that the cocoa dust doesn't come poofing up into your face. After a little while, it should be pretty much smooth and you can go on to the next step. Now you're going to want to take off the lid of your food processor. And you're going to take your food processor off of the base. Now you can store this in a jar for up to 2 months. So you can just take out the middle piece and pour it into your jar. Ready to make hot chocolate out of your hot chocolate mix, you're going to want to take 1 cup of milk for every 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate mixture you put in. For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to make half a cup of milk and 1.5 tablespoons of hot chocolate mixture. So you're going to take your milk, and you can either heat this up in the microwave in a heat-proof glass or something, or you can do it in a saucepan over the stove. While you're heating up your milk, you can take however much of your hot chocolate mixture you want to get and put it in a mug. And then you can pour the milk mixture in and stir it up with a spoon. And then you can drink it and enjoy it. Hopefully I've just taught you how to make this, and it's very easy and it only takes a few minutes and it lasts for up to 2 months. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.